What's going on, guys? We are back working in the drift garage, or what we're starting to call the burnout barn today. I got my buddy Patrick, which you guys probably remember from previous videos. And if this video, or if this shot looks a little bit close to my face, it's because Patrick's gloves had some silicone on them. And being us, we always mess things up. So we're starting off this video trying to fix the stupid tripod.
It don't even hold itself.
Yep.
It doesn't even do nothing.
And this thing normally would just hold the whole weight of the camera up, like no big deal. And now it's just like all gooey and
useless.
Liquefied. So, what's new? So today is a really big day at the burnout barn because you can see right now there's nothing in the drift garage. And what's going there? A lift. A lift is finally going in today, or at least we're going to try to put the lift in. It should go in today, but as long as we don't run into any problems, we'll have a lift. So, other things new at the drift garage. We got a brand new toolbox in here that me and Patrick can start fill up with tools here soon. This toolbox is really special because this is my granddad's old toolbox, and my granddad passed away years ago, so this is really cool to inherit this from him because it's got all these cool stickers on it, one of which being right here. This is the tool.
I'm the tool.
You are the tool.
$10 feet tall or more.
And it looks not nearly as heavy, which we could be wrong, but
It depends on how heavy this bad boy is. That right here.
yeah. It's pretty sweet how these lifts work, guys. You see all these little, I guess that's where it locks in, maybe?
Yeah, it looks like a safety lock.
No.
Every time you lift it up, you want to lock it. It usually automatically locks, but you want to lower them to lock.
These things are so legit. Look how big, like for reference, there's my hand. And it's not like I have small hands or something. I mean, they're not huge, but they're just huge, man. It's just a big base plate, if you get what I'm saying. Nice blue and yellow. The shop's gonna be so legit.
I knew that there would be a lot of water on it.
Yeah. All right, you're the man with a plan. What's your idea for getting this off of here, Curtis Leroy?
Well, I got to put my rigging hat on.
Yep.
Got to do it safe. Got to leverage it.
There's a crescent on? Oh!
John, the man.
Jonathan!
What's up?
Bring it in.
Look at Will carrying this all by himself.
Oh, we're good, guys.
Let's take it all the way to the panels.
There you go.
Let's start my place right here. Slide.
And then they're showing it down here. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. If I may. I'd like to love you,
So we got the lift in now. Everything's looking really good. Looks like my dad's got the electrical coming in pretty good. And we just got back from getting some hydraulic fluid. So it's coming together. What is that, Gracie? Oh, no. All right, so we got the hydraulic fluid and the lift now. My dad's gonna go trip the breaker and we're gonna see if it works. It's the moment of truth.
Probably not gonna do nothing 'cause it's got air in it.
Wait, there it goes.
It's on one side.
Let me get off of it because I'm afraid now.
Should we be all the way down? I don't think we need to start at the top.
Well, we did that to try to get the cables straight and then we forgot to lower it down. We're riding the lift. Here we go.
Put it all the way up. It'll have I can't reach.
I guess that's max.
Oh man.
Man, this would hurt so bad if it just gave out. Like, can you imagine?
Jump off of it before it did that.
This is insane.
Put that right there.
I don't like heights.
Hold on, y'all gotta sit right there, man.
Well, you keep going pretty slow.
Patrick, what are you doing? What are you unscrewing?
I'm screwing it in.
Running these all the way up.
What are you screwing, Patrick?
Screw.
We're running our stop bolts up.
Alright, so everyone on my Instagram, this is the lift.
Are you doing live right
I am
now?
doing live right now, yeah.
Watch this video. It'll be out in a few
Watch
days.
the video.
What do you think, Patrick?
You gotta check the fluid when
Is this like Fantasyland, like craziness right now?
Just about.
I mean, we got a shop now, dude. Tools, lift. This is like some straight fantasy stuff up in here. If this is the first video you guys have seen on my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button because we got this crazy shop. We got Patrick's LS1 240, Patrick's SR20 240, my 240SX shell that we're gonna be building in here.
It's an
Mustang.
EcoBoost Mustang.
EcoBoost Mustang, IS300, made famous from that dude in blue, the white one, that's mine. So definitely subscribe to this channel if
And
you
the
want to see more of that
FRS.
stuff.
My
The
FRS!
FRS.
They don't love me enough.
Well, it's stock. You gotta do stuff to it, come on. Tell her in the comments what should she do to the car.
Can't forget
Boost it, coilovers, all the stuff that just costs too much money.
Yes.
Forget about the WRX and the
The
Cresta.
WRX and the Cresta, John was here earlier.
Twin turbo, thank you very much.
Twin turbo truck.
I do.
He'll pull your
The truck.
IS down the road.
Yeah, that's right. ISs are slow if you didn't know that.
He'll do it with the trailer behind this truck.
Oh. Anyways, I guess that's probably gonna do it for this video, guys. But hopefully you enjoy this video of us putting the shop together. And all this
Lit!
stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.